Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert JPG to PNG very easy. So go ahead and open up your browser and you want to go to canva.com/features JPG to PNG converter. But don't worry, you will find this within the description of this video as well. Now, all you have to do, just simply upload that image. You can simply drag that image here, or you can simply click the upload button and find that image that you want to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go to my images here and I'm going to simply find a JPG image. As you can see, there's a picture of a range. I'm going to simply go ahead and click and open, and this is going to upload this image in Canva. As you can see here that I don't even log into my Canva account. It is saying that I can continue, but I can simply close off from that. No worries there. And as you can see, the image is there. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on download and ensure that PNG is selected, as it's going to show you suggested because this is what you wanted. Just simply click and download, and it's going to download that JPG image and convert it into a PNG image. Now, as you can see, it is done. It is showing you here. You can simply exit this box, and of course you can open that picture here. So if I click to the downloads here, I can find this image as it says on title design PNG. I can open that and you will see that that's the image that I uploaded in JPG, and now I download this in PNG. You can see it from the name as well that it's a PNG. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.